got some big news to share. My name is Quinn Briner. I'm the Director of Public Relations at Hersheypark, and on behalf of our Hersheypark team, we are so excited to join with S&S Worldwide today to unveil the gondola for our new ride coming in 2025, Twisted Gravity. Are you ready to see it? Good. Well, this is a ride that can only exist at Hersheypark because of the Twizzler themed elements. So our guests are going to sit in 4 branded gondola zones that represent Twizzler flavors. So cherry, strawberry, licorice, and of course, Hershey's chocolate. But even better than that is this will be the tallest Screamin Swing in the world when it opens next summer at Hersheypark. So to tell you a little bit more about Twizzlers Twisted Gravity, I'd love to introduce my colleague, Senior Director of Attractions, Jeremy Underkoffler, who will tell you about why this ride is so unique in the sweetest place on earth.
So Twizzlers Twisted Gravity is a ride experience unlike anything at Hersheypark with the current ride lineup. The 1 minute and 10-second duration ride is going to have adrenaline pumping 137 feet in the air. So as Quinn said, the tallest Screamin Swing in the world. Not only is it going to be 137 feet, but it's going to travel 68 miles per hour. It will also, based on where it is within the park, will feel even taller than 137 feet, swinging out over our Spring Creek. So we're very excited for that. Riders will defy gravity at speeds reaching 68 miles per hour, multiple mind-bending zero-G moments, and we are definitely excited for our guests to enjoy this ride and see never-before-seen views of the park. With that, I will turn it over to Jason Mons from S&S to talk about our partnership.
Thanks, Jeremy. I'm Jason Mons. I'm the CEO of S&S Worldwide. It's been a number of years since I've been working with Hersheypark, and the experience is incredible. Hershey, I have had the opportunity to develop many friendships there, and on behalf of myself, S&S Worldwide, and those friends, I'm so excited to be here today with each and every one of you. It was over 30 years ago that our founder, Stan Checketts, had an idea. While tossing his grandchildren in the air and playing with them, he realized he wanted to give that same excitement and same thrill to adults worldwide. And that's when the air launch technology was born, right then and there. And that is exactly what we're using to drive this ride. With over 700 gallons of air and 55,000 pounds of thrust, we're gonna push riders over 135 feet into the air. Now, at S&S Worldwide, we recognize that we're only at the beginning of where this excitement begins, and it carries on long after we deliver our rides to the parks. And because of that, we're so excited to partner with Hershey and allow them to continue on that legacy of excitement that Stan Checketts started over 30 years ago. On behalf of myself and all of our employees, Jeremy, we're very, very excited to continue our relationship with you, and we look forward to watching riders at your park enjoy this exciting ride. So with that, Quinn.
So, what do you think? To celebrate our sweet news today, we do have Twizzlers for everybody in the audience, so just give us a little bit to get to everyone. But we have a press release that we've sent with additional renders. We have a sizzle reel as well. So if you need anything else from a media lens, please find me. I always match the ride, so you can find me in red. My amazing colleague Amanda is here as well. We are honored that you graced us with your presence today. We're excited to give you a sweet treat. Be sure you follow Hersheypark on our social media channels. Construction is already in full swing. See what I did there? Thank you. But we're thrilled to welcome all of you to the sweetest place on earth next summer. So thank you for joining us.